Bom dia, hello guys, how are you? ¿Cómo están? I'm Karolinti from karolinti.com and this is European Portuguese lesson. In this episode, you will learn 5 different verbs that mean to eat in Portuguese. Are you curious? Fiquem comigo! Hello again, hola pessoal. Okay, so without further ado, let's go to the first verb. Comer. This is the most obvious verb that means to eat. Its conjugation presents as follows. Eu como, tu comes, ela, ele, você come, nós comemos, elas, eles, vocês comem. Okay, so many of you have asked me why I don't use personal pronoun vós, which means you in plural, while I'm conjugating a verb. Personal pronoun vós, it's no longer in the use, it's not used anymore in general European Portuguese. You cannot find it in textbooks dedicated to Portuguese language learning, and you cannot hear it spoken. Personal pronoun vós I heard once in my lifetime during the church reading. But exactly where and when is and was used. Personal pronoun vós explains neatly Leo from channel Portuguese with Leo. Link to his lesson you can find now here and in description box below. Let's go back to verb comer and let's make sentences with it. Ao pequeno almoço como frutas. Ao pequeno almoço como frutas. Ao almoço, ele come sandes. Ao almoço, ele come sandes. Ao jantar, comemos peixe. Ao jantar, comemos peixe. To tomar, regular verb tomar, means basically to have, to take, and it's used in different situations, such as tomar café, tomar duche, tomar medicamentos, and we can use also tomar pequeno almoço, and then it means to have or to eat breakfast. Its conjugation presents as follows. Eu tomo, tu tomas, ela, ele, você toma, nós tomamos, elas, eles, vocês tomam. Let's see some examples. Ao pequeno almoço, ela toma cereais com leite. Ao pequeno almoço, ela toma cereais com leite.
O que toma ao pequeno almoço? Ao pequeno almoço tomo iogurte.
3. Almoçar. Almoçar means to eat lunch. Lunch in Portuguese is o almoço. So to eat lunch is almoçar. Faz sentido, não é? It makes sense, doesn't it? Its conjugation presents as follows. Eu almoço, tu almoças, ela, ele, você almoça, nós almoçamos, elas, eles, vocês almoçam. Have a look on these examples. Note that you can either use verb comer and a noun o almoço, or you can just use the verb almoçar. Ao almoço eu como sandes. Ao almoço eu como sandes. Almoço sandes. Almoço sandes. 4. Lanchar. Lanchar is the verb that means to eat an evening snack. O lanche means tea time snack. So, to eat an evening snack is lanchar. It makes sense, doesn't it? Lanchar is a regular verb with ar ending, and its conjugation presents as follows. Eu lancho, tu lanchas, ela, ele, você lancha, nós lanchamos, elas, eles, vocês lancham. Have a look on these examples. Note that you can either use o lanche with the verb comer or just only verb lanchar. Ao lanche como bolo. Ao lanche, como o bolo. Lancho o bolo. Lancho o bolo. 5. Jantar. The verb jantar means to eat dinner. Dinner in Portuguese is o jantar. So to eat the dinner is jantar. Easy, right? Jantar is a verb, regular verb with R ending, and its conjugation presents as follows. Eu janto, tu jantas, ela, ele, você janta, nós jantamos, elas, eles, vocês jantam. Have a look on these examples. Note that you either use verb comer with noun o jantar, or you can only use verb jantar. Ao jantar, como peixe. Ao jantar, como peixe. Janto peixe. Janto peixe.
O que jantar? Eu janto sandes.
That's all for today. Thank you for tuning in and watching till the end of this episode. Did you know all of those verbs to eat in Portuguese? Let me know in the comment section down below. Don't forget also to leave your thumbs up, share and subscribe. Take care and I see you soon. Até já!